Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. And thanks for tuning in for another video. So today, guys, I am here just popping in with a quick update to say happy February 1st. We are officially in Black History Month. We are officially in the month of Valentine's Day and the shortest month of the year. So happy new month. And I hope all your new beginnings this month are glorious and splendid. Now, without further ado, if you find that you enjoy the video, if you enjoy the chill, laid back vibes here, definitely blow dry on the like button, hit that subscribe button, and double tap on the notification bell. It is free 99 to support. Now, without further ado, guys, let's jump into today's video. So on the video, I have been sharing tons of self-care motivation, tons of self-love content on this channel because that's just where I'm at in my life. I am on a health and wellness journey. I am on a fitness journey. And today, which I typically am off on the weekends, I had to work today on a Saturday, the first Saturday of February, okay? And so after I got off, I said, because I try to squeeze in some time for self-care every single day. I don't care if it's 10 to 15 minutes. I try to do something, mindful and intentional for myself that is going to pour back into me. And so today I decided to stop by Burlington because I had to pass it on my way home from work. And as I was perusing through, you guys know on this channel, of course, I share my love of hair, both my natural hair care journey as well as my love of wigs. But here lately, I've been trying to do more product unboxings, of course, showing different hauls, different skincare regimens and routines, and even sharing my plus size fitness journey with showing you some of my different workouts and things I'm doing to kind of get things going in the right direction. But today I decided I need to start doing a better job of meal prepping. So as I was perusing through Burlington, taking a look at what they had as far as kitchen gadgets and organization, I came across some very affordable finds. And so I'm going to just share that with you guys. So this will be a little quick unboxing review, first impressions video. So if you enjoy product hauls, unboxing, trending topics, you are definitely in the right place. So this is, again, going to be a quick video. I encourage you to take a look at my homepage and some of the different playlists. You'll find tons of content there on both skincare, hair care, both natural hair as well as wigs, and of course, different product reviews. I love sharing information. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So really quick, let me show you guys what I picked up today. I've been trying to become more mindful of what it is I'm ingesting as far as food and beverages go, with trying to juice myself rather than drinking the store-bought juices that are filled with all the bad stuff, right? Now, I'm still a work in progress, but I'm getting there. So today, I had on my mind meal prep, and I've been watching a lot of cool meal prep videos here on YouTube, right? So let me show you the first I picked up. It was this. These are like mason jars with the lids. And in the different videos that I have been watching, there's a lady, and I can never remember the name of her channel, but she meal preps her salads and her different dishes, and she like layers them in these jars. Like she'll put her DIY salad dressing, something that she prepared herself, at the bottom, and then she'll add her lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, whatever vegetables. And then, of course, it's already in the jar. So all you have to do is just like pick it up and then pour it in a bowl. I thought that was super cute because I've been taking a store-bought salad to work every single day for the past couple of years. And that's expensive, and it's not as fresh. And a lot of times when you buy those store-bought salads, they throw all the nasty pieces of lettuce in there. So I thought this was really cool. So I got this. It was $7.99 at Burlington. So they are glass mason jars with the lids, okay? It's like a corkscrew type lid. So 3 of them for $7.99. I thought that was a really good deal, guys. Next, I thought if I'm going to be making my own salads, it's probably time to invest in a salad spinner. The reason why I had been opting for the store-bought salads all before is because whenever I would rinse my salads, put them in the bowl, by the time I'd get them in my dish, I would have a ton of water and my lettuce would be all withered. So I was like, you know what? If I'm going to make my own salads, let me grab a salad spinner so that I can fully drain them. So I picked this one up from Burlington's home goods section, $5.99. I thought this was a good investment for myself on this fitness journey, trying to get to a place of better health and wealth, right? And a small nominal investment to invest in myself to eat better. All right. And then lastly, what I got, guys, of course, somebody's trying to call me. I'm gonna have to call her back. That's my cousin. Hold on, Val, I'm gonna call you right back. Okay. Bloopers edition. So this is the last item I got, guys. Can y'all see that? Y'all know I love pink. I have so much pink. My water bottles. This is a 14-piece meal prep set. And what you got is you got 7 lids and 7 trays or containers. So this just makes it easier for even if you are going to take hot or cold lunches with you. It makes it easy to go ahead and layer your foods, put them in. They are BPA free and they were $3.99. So that was basically all I grabbed in this quick Burlington haul. But as you can see, I got 3 items to contribute to my own health and wellness journey. All 3 total cost was under $16. So under $20 to go ahead and invest in eating better, actually setting aside intentional time to be able to start meal prepping and really taking this thing to the next level. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. If you enjoy the content and you enjoy uplifting motivational content, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate the support. Also, if you know someone else who enjoys this type of content, sharing is caring, so please share the video out. All right, guys, until next time, everybody stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you in the next video.